Looking for the best robot vacuums under $200 for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 robot vacuums under $200 that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features, and many users, and if you can't find a robot vacuums under $200 that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended robot vacuums under $200. Number 1 on the list is ILIFE V3s Pro. The ILIFE V3s Pro tops our list for all the right reasons. Besides the essential features you would expect to get on a $200 robot vacuum, the ILIFE V3s Pro has exceptional cleaning capabilities. We were impressed by the low-profile robot's ability to blast through dirt, grime, and pet hair with ease. The ILIFE V3s Pro is a worthy upgrade from ILIFE V3s. It has many infrared sensors that allow it to navigate various obstacles like furniture and pet bowls during cleaning. With the 3 cleaning modes, Auto, Edge, and Space mode, the robot can handle just about any cleaning task on your hard floors. Moreover, you can program the robot to clean at specific times so that even if you are away or you forget to clean, it'll get the job done. The ILIFE V3s Pro is best suited for anyone with hard floors as it comes with dual-side sweeping brushes that funnel dirt and debris to the underside. Anyone who has pets could also make the most of its tangle-free pet hair technology. You would never lift a finger or spend time cleaning hair and junk from the vacuum. Second on the list is Shark AV752 ION. Shark ION is a world-famous vacuum cleaner brand known for premium quality products. The Shark AV752 ION is our upgrade pick because of the premium set of features it offers at such an attractive price point. The quality is unmatched because Shark puts its robots through rigorous testing, performing thousands of hours of real-life use to ensure you get the ultimate ultra-powerful and reliable clean. We were impressed by how easy it is to use the Shark AV752 ION. For starters, you can clean from your phone. All you have to do is download the Shark Clean app, then you can use it to start, stop, and schedule your robot to clean anytime you want. In addition, you can use Alexa or Google Voice Control to make the robot clean at your command. The Shark AV752 ION is ideal for cleaning homes that have multiple floor surfaces because it features 3 brush types that give one powerful clean. The tri-brush system is a combination of side brushes, multi-surface brush roll, and channel brushes that can handle debris on all surfaces. What's more, the robot has sensors which prevent it from crashing into obstacles like furniture, stairs, and walls. It maneuvers around potential stuck situations fluidly and truly knows your home. Number 3 on the list is eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11s. The eufy 11s is a prime choice for pet owners because it operates quietly. You can run the robot at the end of the day when your kids and pets are asleep. Its noise level measures up at about 55 dB, which is a whopping 10 dB less than that of the competition. Eufy is another big-wig brand in the vacuum cleaner industry. It is highly reputed for having top-quality and highly effective vacuum cleaners, and the eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11s is no exception. It was even included in the Best Robot Vacuums of 2019 by Tom's Guide. eufy 11s is a low-profile robot cleaner with an ultra-slim design that puts it a little under 3 inches high. This means it can clean underneath your furniture and other household furnishings with ease. You can forget about routinely moving your sofa or bed to vacuum away dust. The eufy 11s is packed with myriad incredible features. It has infrared sensors for evading obstacles, an anti-scratch tempered glasstop cover for protection, and drop sensing technology to avoid falls. Plus, it has a BoostIQ technology that automatically increases the suction power within 1.5 seconds when extra vacuuming strength is needed. As if that's enough, the robot charges itself so it's always ready to clean. Number 4 on the list is NOISZ ILIFE S5 Pro. The NOISZ ILIFE S5 Pro is such a rare gem as it offers the ultimate cleaning solution at such an attractive price point. It's like a dream come true for many homeowners. The robot is packed with incredible features that will help you achieve spotless floors without lifting a finger. We loved how easy it is to use the robot vacuum despite having a couple of sophisticated features. The NOISZ ILIFE S5 Pro compares favorably with its predecessor, the S5. In addition to vacuuming, the robot offers a mopping option which you can use after vacuuming to get spotless floors. It features a 300 ml water tank that you can fill up with water to damp mop the floor. To switch from vacuum mode to mopping mode, you have to exchange the dust collection tank with the water tank. The robot vacuum also comes with anti-collision sensors that make it slow down when approaching obstacles. Plus, the TPU bumper offers double protection in case it bumps into furniture. The NOISZ ILIFE S5 Pro is also ideal for pet owners because it features a powerful vacuuming suction port that picks up pet hair better than a standard roller brush. It is also a prime choice for homes with stairs. It has cliff detect sensors that can identify stairs and switch cleaning routes. Number 5 on the list is Deenkee DK600. Deenkee is another brand that is steadily becoming prominent in the vacuum cleaner market. The Deenkee DK600 is one of their gems. It has a powerful suction that is perfect for removing dust, pet hair, and debris from carpets of various heights. We loved how quiet the robot is. You can have it on while sleeping or watching TV. The Deenkee DK600 stacks up well against its higher-end peers with upgraded cleaning modes and double-sided brush. Unlike many robot vacuums that have the 4 standard market-popular cleaning modes, the DK600 has 2 extra cleaning modes, max cleaning and schedule cleaning, which ensure your floors are spotless clean whether you are home or not. What's more, the robot has double-sided brushes and a central brush that ensure it cleans in all directions for the best effect. The Deenkee DK600 is ideal for small space dwellers as it has a slim design that can easily fit under the sofa, bed and other furniture. You can clean underneath your furniture without moving them. Also, the robot features a ground sensor which makes it a fantastic choice for people who have stairs. Just now is a list of 5 best robot vacuums under $200 that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You will receive our latest videos. Thank you.